Instead of looking for specific skill sets, we just hire great developers, and we train them internally in the latest JavaScript technologies.
What we learn from retrospective is how we communicate with client and how we pass information there and back, so both parties are on the same page.
One of the things I really like about communicating with the client directly is that we start to develop really more of a closer rapport than just a regular working relationship over time.
Salsita for us has been a great experience. They delivered a time which was very important.
Salsita is our go-to company for high-quality software.
Thanks to the quality of our engineers, we consistently deliver on challenging projects that other web agencies would be reluctant to tackle. Hi guys.